Alright, good morning guys. It is 5:47 a.m. August 30th. It is a Thursday. I am up early. I'm all packed up, ready to go. I'm going to go do some early morning fishing at Waterton Canyon. I was there about a week ago and the fishing was really good, so I'm hoping for the same. Taking the bike, gonna bike up maybe 5 miles, get to a couple spots, and hopefully get to something good. So we'll see you soon. Breakfast of champions right here. Rockstar energy and punch. Oh yeah, doesn't get much more nutritious than that. All right, Batman. Say good night.
Good luck fishing. Ha ha ha.
Alright guys, we are at Waterton Canyon. Sun is just rising behind us. It's a couple things about Waterton Canyon. It can be a lot better to bike up into the canyon. The canyon's about 7 miles from Waterton Canyon Road all the way up the canyon to the base of Strontia Springs. The further you go up, the better the fishing typically is. Typically you will see some sort of wildlife, whether it's a fox, bighorn sheep, really popular here, and deer. So I wouldn't be surprised at all to see that today. In fact, I think it's more uncommon to not see wildlife. And for those of you with kids or for new fly fishermen out there, if you just want to get a really good bite, the sucker spring where the suckerfish spawn in the spring from Chatfield Reservoir, they spawn into the inlet in the reservoir all the way up to the bridge here, where I said is typically not good to fish. It's actually great. So in the spring, when the suckerfish spawn is on, you can hook big suckerfish. The kids, can feel a really big fish on the line, and they're very active and very, very friendly to the bite. But yeah, I'm going to jump on the bike and head up and hopefully catch some more wildlife. Okay guys, I made it up the canyon. It wasn't easy. My back tire went flat about a mile in, completely flat, and I didn't bring a tube, so that's awesome. So it was hard getting up, plus I'm in the middle of a pretty nasty cold, so I don't know how long I'll be out here, but I'm gonna start here. Wish I could cross over. I think that pool right there is gonna be pretty nice. Today I'm using, I have a 3 Nymph setup here. I have a patch rubber leg, medium size, black, gold, and some pinkish type legs. And I have a hard epoxy red worm as my second. Size 20, maybe 18. Greenish olivish epoxy, sort of zebra type midge at the bottom. We'll give these a shot and see how it goes. Good. Good little ones. Alright guys, so I'd say that was a pretty successful morning. It is 12:26 and we're back at the parking lot area. Caught a couple really nice browns, a bunch of rainbows, smaller browns, and just found them. So it was definitely a good day, and that's really all I got. So hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Hope you guys enjoyed the wildlife, and we'll see you soon.